Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest video into from the Fun Creator channel, and don't forget to give a thumb up for this video. This video tells about the Prambanan Temple, which was built in the 9th century. The towering temple is 47 meters high with stunning ornament, and the beauty of this Hindu temple is unmatched. Prambanan Temple is located 17 km to the east from the center of Jogja City, Central Java, Indonesia, and can be reached by Trans Jogja bus. Prambanan Temple opening hour every day from 6 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon. Prambanan Temple is the largest Hindu temple in Indonesia, as well as one of the most beautiful temples in Southeast Asia. According to Siwagrha inscription, this temple began to build during the reign of Rakai Pikatan in the middle of the 9th century from the Ancient Mataram Kingdom. At the end of the 10th century, the center of Mataram Kingdom moved to the East Java because things are still a mystery to this day. This magnificent temple was abandoned and partially buried by the eruption of the Mount Merapi. Gradually, the Prambanan are become a dense forest. It was hundreds of years later that the ruins of this temple were discovered. Serious temple restoration effort began in 1930, and the restoration of the main temple was only complete in 1953. At that time, the history of this temple was not known, so that the legend of Roro Jonggrang was created, which was told from generation to generation. Once upon a time, there was a very beautiful princess named Roro Jonggrang. Her beauty made the princess Bandung Bondowoso to propose to her. Roro Jonggrang asked for a condition to build 1,000 temples in one night as the reason for the rejection of the marriage proposal. However, Bandung Bondowoso still agreed. Bandung Bondowoso then asked for the help of the spirit to build 1,000 temples in one night. Then the 999 temples has been built. Roro Jonggrang ordered the village to light a bonfire and pound a rice with a mortar. Make the spirit think down has arrived. So the spirit stopped building temples and leave. Bandung Bondowoso was angry because he was tricked by Roro Jonggrang trick. Bandung Bondowoso cursed him into stone statue to complete the 1,000 temple. Roro Jonggrang temple, which towered 47 meters high. From distance, a beauty of this temple already stunning. It is estimated that there are 240 large and small temples in Prambanan Temple complex. However, only 80 temples have been successfully restored. The rest are piles of scattered stone. 3 of 8 main temples are called Trimurti Temple of 3 forms, dedicated to 3 high Hindu gods: Lord Brahma, the creator; Lord Vishnu, the preserver; Lord Shiva, the destroyer. Prambanan Temple is decorated with relief that tell the story Ramayana and Krishnayana. The relief of Ramayana story are carved on the inner wall of the fence-long gallery passage that surround the main temple. And what do you think about this Prambanan Temple? Write your comment in the comment columns. Sorry if in this video there are many mistakes in the pronunciation of the words. Thank you for those of who have watched my video to the end. Share this video with your friend. See you in my next video.